Can you say mint? I can. Look at this thing. That's pretty bad because I didn't even realize I had this one. This is a Remington Premier. It's made in Britain. It's brand new. Brand new old stock. Look at this thing. Look at the keys. Look at it. It's gorgeous. Unstinking believable. Can you say minty? I can. This is a beauty. And I have some typewriters that are nice. But look, you can tell. Look, I guess this is part of, I don't know if the owner before me just took great care of it. Everything's shiny and new, as you can tell. Look. Lookity. Here. There it is on the back. This is a beauty. I like typewriters, and I like mint, and I like old. And this has it all. Till the next time, later.